Embark on a journey of profound transformation within a vibrant and supportive community. Join our free guided meditation event in Raleigh, NC on August 30th, 31st, and September 1st. Meditation is a powerful tool for personal and professional development. Manifest your success by learning personal growth techniques. Explore stress reduction techniques and uplifting experiences. Imagine starting your day with a clear mind, reduced stress, and a heart full of positivity. Our guided sessions will teach you practical techniques to stay focused, reduce stress, and boost your overall well-being. Learn from inspirational and motivational stories. Immerse yourself in a joyful celebration of family event. Join like-minded individuals on a journey towards success. Parents can rejuvenate mind and body with mental well-being exercises from renowned speakers. Kids are engaged in interesting workshops with expert supervision. Limited seats are available. Sign up now and take the first step towards a brighter, more prosperous future. See you at the event.